Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How much do you charge per square foot for laminate flooring? Divide your calculation by the square footage of the job to determine the cost of labor per square foot. For example, if the job would cost $120 in labor, and the square footage is 100, divide 120 by 100 to get a cost of $1.20 per square foot. What is a fair price per square foot? According to the latest estimates, the median price for each square foot for a home in the United States is $123. But that can vary widely based on where you live and other factors. For instance, on the low end, you'll pay $24 a square foot in Detroit. How do you calculate price per Sqft? Typically, people calculate price per square foot by dividing the cost of the home by the total cooled and heated square footage of the house. It's a relatively simple calculation, which is why you can find so many home valuation tools on the internet. How do you price per square foot? Price per square foot is calculated by dividing the price of the home by the square footage of the home to come up with a price per square foot number. For example, if the price of the home is $100,000 and it is 1,000 square feet, the price per square foot is $100.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.